In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your OpenAI API key, which is essential for accessing the powerful features of OpenAI's platforms like Chatgpt. If you're ready to harness the potential of AI in your projects, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, head over to OpenAI's official website by typing in the URL or following a search engine link that leads you there. Once you're on the home page, your next move is to locate and click on the section labeled API Platform. This is where you'll find all the resources you need related to OpenAI's API offerings, so it's an important starting point for our journey today. After clicking, you'll land on the API Platform page. This is the hub where OpenAI provides access to its various API services. Once there, you should see a search option in the navigation or on the page itself. Click on that to start finding exactly what you need. Next, using the search function, type in Create Secret Key. This search query will guide you directly to the tools and instructions necessary for generating your API key. The term secret key is crucial because OpenAI requires a unique key for securely accessing their API services. Following your search, you should see an option called Create New Secret Key. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page or a pop-up window where you can initiate the process of key creation. It's vital to note here that this key is what links your projects to OpenAI's API capabilities, so don't forget to create one. After clicking on Create New Secret Key, you'll need to assign a name to your new key. The name you choose will help you identify this specific key later, especially if you plan to create multiple keys for different projects or purposes. Be sure to choose a descriptive name that's easy to remember. Then you'll see an option to select a default project. Click on it as this will associate your newly created key with a specific project under your account. This association ensures that the key operates within the context of a predefined environment, which can enhance both security and organization. Finally, to wrap up the process, click on Create Secret Key. This action will finalize the key generation process and provide you with the API key that you need. Remember, this key is sensitive information, so handle it with care. Avoid sharing it in public forums or unsecured communication to protect your access rights. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained your OpenAI API key. Now, you can integrate the robust features of ChatGPT and other OpenAI APIs into your applications, opening the door to innovative solutions and enhanced user experiences. Keep exploring and see what revolutionary things you create next.